Some days it sprays, some days it doesn't, and it's just better to swap the pump out. So that's what we're gonna do on my way right now. And yeah, man, there's a lot going on today. I'm bringing you guys along, so we're just gonna get right to it, boys. It's not gonna squirt out, is it?
No, it won't squirt out. It's just gonna like just constantly run.
This is probably gonna be cool as shit.
Yeah, this is gonna be bad.
Yeah. Bump it down. That's my old one. Might have to tap the gas. Yeah.
There we go.
Is it working? I bet.
It was just low.
Yeah.
Look how fast it turns green. Look,
Yeah.
it's turning green a lot faster.
That's good.
So,
So it probably was the pump the whole time.
probably. We'll go make some hits.
Bet. I can rev it up from third to fourth, not second to third, or?
You can do everything. It literally hit 7,200 RPM right now. Hit the limiter.
Fuck me. Yeah, bro, shift that.
Oh yeah, that's a no lift right there.
It sprayed on that time? Yo! Smack my face with my camera.
No way.
Yeah.
My bad.
Nah, you good, bro. That dork. I guess wait for that hump or fuck. It starts curving, so. It's gotta be the bottle body.
Yeah,
No, most definitely. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as most of you know, I've had two little problems in the car, and one of them is just fixed. I'm pretty sure this whole time it was the meth pump, because some days the car would spray kind of funky, like it would like struggle to spray meth. Some days it would spray, and then some days it just wouldn't spray at all. So tried a couple different things here at Fabian's, but it would just eventually stop spraying. And you know, the car being dependent on meth, kind of sketchy, you know, having it not spray in some hits. So finally just swapped out the pump with a different pump from Alky Control, and then we're gonna send my original meth pump to Alky so they can well, I don't know, they were gonna upgrade something in it, I don't know, because right now they're making like new pumps, so their meth pumps are like new and improved. So I got a new one in right now, and then I guess when I get my old one back, we'll put that in there. But for right now, I have a new meth pump in. We just had to make sure it was the pump. So it's spraying now, it's good. I'm gonna make sure by tonight that it's still working, which I'm sure it will, because my old pump would like start messing up by now, like after the second bore or whatever, you know. But now, my other issue is my throttle body. I don't know if it's like closing or if it's the electronics in it. I don't know. All right, I'm actually meeting up with a homie of mine that's in town with his brand new C7Z. It's a heads cam 2650 car, I believe. And he's actually about to head out to Dallas. He just got the car yesterday. He flew in, and I forgot where he's from, man. I gotta freaking ask him. I know him from Instagram because he used to have a stock blower C7Z. It was a white one. And that's where I've known him from. And then he sold it, and he just got another C7Z right now. And he drove to Houston so we can link up real quick before he heads back to Dallas. He's not from Dallas, but he's going towards Dallas. Then he's driving to, I think he's from Iowa. I'm gonna make sure. He wanted to link up and have both cars together real quick. And I wanna check it out too. It's a manual heads cam 2650 car. So I wanna check it out too. We're on the way right now to meet him up, and yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we're there. Alright. Yeah, what's good, bro? That's bad.
Thanks, bro. That bitch is sexy.
I got pump E85. There's a spot right here. Shoo! Alright, y'all. A little 2650 C7Z, and it's manual too?
Yeah, it's manual.
Okay. How does this feel just off the rip from your stock blower one?
Honestly,
that you
I
had?
feel like the 2650 is more top end.
I was about to say,
Yeah, the small blowers make hella torque down low. So yeah, I think that might hit a little bit better off the go, but once you get top end, dude,
Probably, right?
fucking pulls.
And it's ported heads too?
Yeah,
Heads
ported
cam?
heads, it's the whole deal.
Woo! Guys, this is Brandon, by the way.
What's up,
He just got this C7Z last night, right?
Last night, yep.
Yes, sir.
So it's custom grind cam, 5-inch intake, you know, meth, pulleys, all that.
All
crap,
the
dude.
good shit, man. All the good shit.
Tank, low side.
God, this is gonna fucking make me
920 on E, 860, 870-ish on 93.
93, nice. And you're on 93 right now.
Yeah, I'm on 93.
Because guys, you gotta drive home, so.
Yeah.
Iowa, you said, right?
Iowa, bro.
Woo!
It's a mission.
It's gonna be a nice drive, though.
Yeah.
I loved it when I drove this on the way home. Like,
Yeah. I'm just trying not to hit anything on the road with the lip and stuff.
yeah, just be careful, man. Just try not to be zooming.
Right.
Especially at night, you're gonna get all the freaking bugs.
I'm gonna tape it up.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Nice. Stock mufflers, right?
Yeah. 2-inch setters, X5 top number.
Nice. Yeah. I pulled my fuse off the rip. I don't know if you did on your white
I
one.
haven't yet.
I smell that 93, but burns my eyes. It's stinky, bro. Alright, y'all, just wanted to meet up with the homie real quick. He's got to drive back all the way to Iowa, so I don't want to take up too much of his time. He just wanted to meet up real quick. Say what's up, have me check out the car. And yeah, we're about to just go our own ways right now, and I'm gonna see if there's a meet or something we can go to with the boys. I don't know. We'll see what's up. It should feel fine this first That's pretty nice. We're here at late model racecraft LMR. Little dyno meet they're having. This is actually where Street Speed gives his cars done. So I'm here checking things out, scoping things out. Just gonna see some cars on a dyno, and I'm gonna wrap up the vlog right here. But yeah, let's just check this place out. It's my first time here. Just a little dyno night, man. That ain't that special, but this thing nice right here. Not ran an LMR car, so definitely on my list. Maybe not this one right here.
It's hitting 180 wheel speed.
Oh, this is oh boys.
Right now. We're gonna try to run it in fifth gear and see if I can get this better than 80. Right now we're making somewhere mid 400, but it's not a great one.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick to my roots, boys. MS tuning for the win. Oh, this thing pretty freaking nasty. What a nice choice in music, man.
Anybody else trying to sign up? Come sign up at the dyno, please.
Made 644. Nah, I should have caught him say that it's because it's heavy.
Yeah, for real. Hey.
Nah, I'm gonna look bad on YouTube, so.
It's because it's heavy, bro.
It's heavy. Hey. What do you think it's gonna make?